Alright everybody, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the FIIL T1X truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to give everybody a fitting demonstration along with 2 sound sample tests to the best of my ability. So hopefully by the end of this video you guys and gals getting a good general idea of what the earbuds are going to look like in your ears if your head is similar to mine, and you will get a good general idea of the overall sound that these earbuds can produce. Now, recording all the audio, we are going to be using my clip-on microphone right here. So when I give y'all the audio sample, I'm going to try and hold it up to the microphone as best I can to give y'all that sample. Alright, but starting off, let's jump right into the fitting demonstration. So you can see I already have the earbuds in my ears. So they do have a very nice and discreet profile on them. I don't know if you could tell that they're in my ears, but they are in my ears. And let's go ahead and give you the profiles now. So I'm going to turn to my left, and you can see what the left earbud looks like here. Now we do have touch controls in here as well. And I have to say I have these stock tips on, so I didn't change out the tips. And I do have the stock wings on, so I didn't change out the wings either. So I left everything exactly like how it was out of the box because that was the best fit for me in my opinion. Okay, so that's the left. Now let's go ahead and turn to the right. And you can see what the right earbud looks like. Really good stuff. And in my opinion, in terms of the fit, I have to say FIIL has done a great job. I do like the overall fit and feel of the earbuds, and they are especially good for extended listening sessions and or workouts. So really good overall fit and feel, and that pretty much wraps up the overall fitting demonstration. Alright, so now we're just going to go directly into the sound samples. So you can see I do have my tablet here, and I do have the earbuds connected up to the tablet, so you can see right there. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Let me get y'all a better close-up. So you can see it is connected up to the tablet right there, right? And it is already set to 100% volume. Let me show you. So it's set to 100% volume right there. And now the first test we're going to do is going to be a leakage test. So I'm just going to push play. I'm going to let it play for a little bit, and I want you guys and gals to let me know via the comments if you pick up any leakage coming off of the earbuds, okay? That's at 100% volume, and then for reference, the microphone is less than a foot away, okay? So here we go. Let's go ahead and push play. And let's check for leakage. All right, let's go. All right. Oh, didn't mean to switch tracks there. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of these touch controls. All right. So real quick leakage test. And I got to tell y'all, in terms of the bass, the sound quality, and the volume, FIIL has done a great job with these earbuds. Man, in terms of the volume, this bad boy gets more than loud enough to drown out my surroundings. With these earbuds in at 50% volume or higher, I honestly can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. And at 100% volume, these bad boys come alive. It's crazy how good the overall volume is. And in terms of the sound quality, yes, very crisp, very clear, very sharp, no distortion throughout. Really good stuff here. And now for the all-important bass. Yeah, the bass on these is really, really good, man. Really good indeed. Nice and punchy, nice and deep. You could definitely feel it depending on what you're listening to. And I listen to a lot of bass heavy tracks, as was the track that I used in this video. Now I'll have a link to my earbud testing playlist so y'all can get an idea of the type of music that I tested with these earbuds. You know, it is what it is. But in terms of the overall leakage, let me know. Did y'all pick up any sound? Did the microphone pick up any sound? Let me know. Now we're going to go ahead and rewind the track, and I'm going to attempt to give y'all a sound sample. So let me rewind the track here, and I'm going to push play, and then we're going to hold it up to the mic here and see what we can pick up. So let's push play now. Okay, and let me hold these up to the mic. Okay, and we'll do this for about 30 seconds, starting now. Yeah, it is picking up a lot of leakage here. Alright, so quick 30 seconds. That should do it. Alright, guys and gals, and that pretty much does it for this Fit and Sound demo. Once again, this was with the FIIL T1X truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please hook your boy up by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.